Over the years, St. Teresa's College of Quezon City has seen many of its graduates become exemplary women of faith, service, and visionary spirit. These alumni truly live the mission and vision of their alma mater, give witness to the gospel values, and exemplify a missionary spirit for social justice, solidarity, and peace. This year, we recognize two Theresian alumni who have been deemed worthy of emulation as Teresa's light. Our first awardee has been moved by her deep love for God to help others to know and appreciate more the wonders of His creation and to take better care of them. She has done this through her dedicated and innovative efforts in science education and community development. With her degrees in chemistry and chemical education, she taught high school chemistry and then joined the SIFTEC, the Southeast Asian Fisheries Development Center, as a research chemist. In the course of her career, she has shared her knowledge of science and mathematics with a wide spectrum of audiences. Fishermen in Leyte on using a compass, teachers in Marawi City and elsewhere in the country on science and ethics of climate change and many other topics. Students at all levels in schools, homes, or on the streets. Math Rap, short for Algebra Rap, mental math techniques sung in rap style. Aga Mathika, science, math, and magic, where children are taught how to perform the magic themselves and given kits to do so, including street children. Catholic Filipino Academy or CFA Homeschool since 2010. Kuya Center for Street Children in Quezon City. Sex workers and LGBT on safer sex and HIV awareness. And caregivers on nutrition and food preparation. As head of the Center for Environment and Sustainable Development, she led the implementation of an ADB project that no other NGOs bid for, probably because they knew that it takes 9 hours to get from Puerto Princesa to Balabac, an island off the southern tip of Palawan, mostly populated by Tausugs. Joy gamely endured the 4-hour rides on a cramped wooden boat and going around the island in a motorcycle, just to coordinate the project activities, which included supporting local weavers and building a science library. The project has been selected by the Global Best Practice Program Solutions for Sustainable Impact in the Dubai Expo 2021-2022. As Ecclesiastes 3 tells us, there is a time for everything. When her oldest son asked her to stop working because he was angry that she was too tired from her full-time job and graduate studies to read him a story, she quit both the very next day. Her 3 sons were always her first priority, and as her son wrote, she had strong faith in God that He will get us through no matter what. When her sons were older and Joy went back to work, they took turns accompanying her on trips and assisting her with various activities, including magic shows. Through these exposures, they learned to empathize with the homeless, the hungry, and the underserved. She was 2014 Ulirang Ina of their barangay and one of the finalists in Quezon City. For the beneficiaries of her Job Start project, however, she is a best mother and a blessing to them. Joy has remained humble despite all her achievements, which include nomination by UNESCO Philippines to the 2019 Kalinga Award for the Popularization of Science. Registered science writer for the National Book Development Board, plaque of appreciation from Phoenix Publishing House as co-author of top-selling science textbook series, attendance scholarship to the 2013 Biomimicry Summit. Joy likes to tell her students, never stop learning because life never stops teaching. This is something she learned from her ICM teachers, with whom she has in turn shared her magic. Let us follow a true Teresa's light, Josefina Maria Ferriol Spavico. Our second Teresa's light is a woman who aspired to be a nun, but despite her not realizing this dream, Maria Cristina Basa Galang, or Christy, persisted in her selfless surrender to the call of service to God by being a lifelong lay missionary. She has engaged in volunteer work on a full-time basis since 1995. In 2003, she was appointed by the parish priest of San Nicolas de Tolentino Parish to be the coordinator of its basic ecclesial community or BEC program. In her steadfast desire to share God's Word, Christy authored a Dear Kay column in Kerygma, a publication of the Light of Jesus Pastoral Care Ministry. As a psychologist, she engaged in correspondence counseling through this column, giving advice on family, relationships, and mental health issues. In addition, she also contributed reflections to Didache, a daily Bible reflection guide. As one of the dedicated leaders and trainers in the Light of Jesus Counseling Center, led by Bo Sanchez, Christy has been able to help countless emotionally wounded and broken members of society, the last, the lost, and the least. She has counseled addicts, prostitutes, the depressed, those contemplating suicide, and prayed with them. She also served in Anawim, home of the abandoned elderly of the Light of Jesus community. Christy likewise promotes devotion to the Divine Mercy as a co-founder of the Divine Mercy Marian Cenacle. Her keen awareness of social issues faced by the country led her to join the thousands of men and women who flocked to EDSA Shrine during the EDSA II revolution. Most of the time she spent there was spent in prayer at the chapel. This demonstrates Christy's faith in the power of prayer. In all her counseling, Christy sought to inspire the Lord's flock to find hope and strength in their faith, to have the will to help themselves, and to be empowered to be a spiritual vessel of Christ in the Church's evangelical mission. She herself showed her deeply rooted faith in God when she had to undergo surgery for what was initially thought might be a malignant tumor. Letting God's love radiate through her life of humble service, Maria Cristina Basagalang is indeed an exemplary Teresa's light. Joy and Christy are truly beacons of light who have brought hope and inspiration to the hundreds of people whose lives they have touched in meaningful ways. They shine brightly as role models of selfless service and a deep commitment to their Theresian values. They are this year's cherished Teresa's Light awardees.